Welcome to this installation video of the Skylink kit for the MBS and DBS series of chargers. Prior to install, ensure power to the charger has been disabled, checked for power, and locked out. Each Skylink kit is comprised of the following parts: a Raspberry Pi, 2 strips of Velcro tape, an Ethernet adapter assembly, a 4-foot Ethernet cable, a DC power cable, 2 inline connectors, an antenna assembly, a 4-foot antenna cable, and 1 USB to IPC COM port cable. The tools that you will need are going to be a pair of small cutters, a multi-bit screwdriver, a screw gun, a 1/4-inch socket, a 1/8 Allen, pliers, flashlight, and electrical tape. Using a 1/8 Allen hex bit on the screw gun, remove the bolts that secure the lid to the charger. Remove the lid and set it aside. Next, install the antenna assembly. It is comprised of 1 gasket, an antenna, a male-to-male adapter, and a mounting plate. Using a 1/4-inch socket on a screw gun, remove the cover plate on the left side of the charger. Reuse the gasket and hardware and install the antenna assembly. Ensure the bolts are snug and not over-torqued. Now, install the Ethernet adapter assembly. Just like the antenna assembly, use a 1/4-inch socket to remove the cover plate on the right side of the charger. Install the adapter using the same hardware from the cover plate. Install the rubber dust cap on one of the bottom bolts. Next, connect the antenna cable to the antenna assembly. Feed the cable through the small opening found in the center. Connect the Ethernet cable to the adapter. Feed the other end through the same opening as the antenna cable. Reinstall the plastic grommet to ensure that both cables won't chafe or damage. Place the lid back on top of the charger. Let's continue inside the enclosure. Remove the bolts that secure the front door panel. Open the door and locate the 12-volt power supply that is on the right side wall inside the enclosure. Remove this wire harness from the nylon clip. On the rear of the power supply, there will be a 6-pin connector with 3 black and 3 orange wires. Locate wire 6, the top black wire, which is the negative, and wire 3, which is the top orange wire, which is the positive. Now let's install the 12-volt DC cable that will supply power to the Raspberry Pi. Attach the inline connector to the negative wires like so. Once both are inside the connector, use a pair of pliers to bite down. As a pro tip, use lineman pliers. They are nice and wide and have an even surface when piercing through the wires inside the connector. If the inline connector fails to close, use electrical tape to secure and repeat for the positive wires. Once done, secure the wire harness back to the nylon clip located in the back. Now, let's install the Raspberry Pi. Attach the 2 adhesive Velcro strips that are found in the kit to the back of the Raspberry Pi. Let's go ahead and connect the Ethernet cable to ETH2 on the back of the Raspberry Pi. Let's go ahead and connect the antenna cable followed by the power cable. Gently secure the Raspberry Pi to the sidewall. Give a good firm press to ensure that the adhesive takes hold. Go ahead and connect that communication cable from the Raspberry Pi going to the control board. So it's going to be on the USB on the outside. And we're going to go ahead and fish that cable through. Zip tie it to those wires on top, and it'll feed all the way out to this location right here. Finally, let's go ahead and connect it to that IPC COM port located right here. That wraps it up for the install. Nothing left to do but reinstall the bolts for the door panel and top cover. In our next video, I will show you how to configure and program the Skylink via your PC. And as always, thank you for watching.